Getting the Burutter.dll DLL error after a software update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. For professional-grade Burutter utility maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This DLL file is a specialized library associated with Japanese gaming peripherals and software. It typically manages force feedback and vibration logic for compatible controllers within localized PC game titles on Windows. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The Burutter.dll belongs to the Game Application bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Game Application will restore this file and related components. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Burutter utility message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. A vital technical reminder: modifying the Burutter.dll manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to the Burutter utility and system libraries. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing the Burutter utility was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.